Many digital pianos have built-in features and functions to help you make music and to help the learning process. But you can expand these by connecting to a PC. You can connect a digital piano to a Windows or Mac computer and open up a whole new universe of possibilities in terms of composition, musical education software, and also recording software. One of the main reasons you would want to connect a digital piano to a computer is for composition. There's a whole variety of music software out there that will let you record your performance directly from the piano to the computer, edit it, and then print it out as a score. It's important to realize that when you are recording, you're not actually recording actual sound. What you're recording is data. So what I mean by that is you're recording the various key presses, the various changes of the controls. It's not actually sound. And there's a big benefit of this. For example, if you record something and you don't like the sound that you used for that recording, you could simply just change the sound without having to re-record the whole piece again. You could slow the recording down, or you could speed the recording up. You can edit individual notes. So if you recorded a piece, made a mistake, with data recording, you can go to your software program and just change a single note, the note that you made the mistake on. None of this is possible with actual audio recording. So there's a big difference. Connecting your piano to a computer is very straightforward. All you need to send MIDI data from the piano to the computer and back again is a standard USB cable. Now there's two types of USB connector. The first type is type A, and type A is USB to device. And what that is, basically, it's a USB socket that enables you to connect external devices, such as a USB key. So if you wanted to store some of your songs or your performances on an external USB key, then you'd need the USB type A socket. The second type is USB B, and that's USB to host. And that's the connector that you need to connect your piano to the computer. And just seeing USB mentioned in the specification sheets won't tell you whether the piano has got USB A or B or both. So you need to check that if you want to use the computer and the piano together, you're going to need USB type B. If you're playing a slightly older digital piano that doesn't have USB to MIDI, don't worry, you can still connect to a computer using the old-fashioned way, and that's the traditional MIDI sockets. All you need is a cable that's got the traditional MIDI sockets on one end, an adapter that will plug into the computer on the other. And then finally, you'll need a bit of software called a driver. Just like with your printer or just like with your camera, you need to install a driver so that the computer will recognize your printer or recognize your camera, and it's no different to a digital piano. And you'll find all the major manufacturers of digital pianos are very good at providing up-to-date drivers at no charge. Install the driver and then you're good to go and explore the wonderful opportunities that you can have making music with your digital piano and your computer.